Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Snuffle again. Today, we are going to beat up Bree for ruining our bank robbery. Actually, nah. Let's go destroy the village.
Hey, Sniffle, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna blow up the village. What? You can do that? No. I'm gonna beat you up.
I'm going to fire my missiles at you.
No!
Actually, I'll get my bodyguards to kick you out of here.
Snuffle, do you realize technically they'd be my bodyguards because this is my room? Really? Do you think about things? I can just get my bodyguards to get you, and then, yeah. Then no more destroying our village.
You'll never get away with this.
Bodyguards, go get this dog, Snuffle guy, a lesson for trying to destroy the village! Sir, I'm your bodyguard or something. Let's be okay, let's go. No target payment service. You're getting $1 less because you have the weirdest voice ever and you barely heard him. Also, go get me some coffee. Thanks for the coffee. Now I'll pay you. Wait, just hit me $1 less. That's not acceptable. Yeah, so, you gotta pay me $1 more. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna explode. I did. That's why you don't try to explode my village.